Somfresh is a Mogadishu startup looking to capitalize on a once profitable business. Workers here clean, process and package heaps of bananas daily.
We have been getting orders from abroad. With the help of the United Nations Agency for International Development supported projects and the Somali Chamber of Commerce, along with the Ministry of Trade, we have finally managed to send 2 shipments to both Saudi Arabia and Turkey.
3 decades ago, bananas were one of Somalia's main exports. Business was booming until a civil war, famine and years of attacks by Al-Shabaab shuttered the market. Since the transitional government was established in 2012, many businesses have been trying to rebuild industries disrupted by years of conflict.
There's about 70 people that work for Somfresh Fruits and Vegetables, and each morning they deliver our banana to in the hotels as well as different embassies inside Somalia.
Most of Somfresh's bananas are sold at the local market. Many traders here say their quality is unlike any other.
This banana is totally different from the bananas in the past because this one has been processed and medicated with an antifungal agent so that it doesn't rot and stays yellow. So the customers really like it very much because it is really sweet.
Farmers say they still have to overcome many hurdles. These include a lack of irrigation and inadequate storage facilities. They say what's needed is more investment and support from the international community. Despite the challenges, Somfresh says it will work on growing the business until it becomes an industry leader. Philip Wera, TRT World.